Welcome back to 10th class English session. We have already discussed about the prose, a letter to God, its question answers and vocabulary development items. Here is another item, that is storm. A storm, the word is used in different countries in different names. Could you understand? A storm has different names given by different countries. So there are different names in different parts of the world. Look at your book. There are different names in different parts of the world for storm, depending on their nature. Could you understand? Sometimes a cyclone or a storm is moderate, sometimes violent. Could you understand? So first word is cyclone. Its Oriya meaning is Ghunni Batya. Storm is also Ghunni Batya. So cyclone means a violent tropical storm in which strong winds move in a circle. Next word is gale. Its meaning is an extremely strong wind. Would you understand? Got it? An extremely strong wind. Typhoon. A violent tropical storm with very strong winds. Right? Next, hurricane. There is another word that is used for storm, that is hurricane. A violent storm with strong winds, especially in the western Atlantic Ocean. Next word is tornado. Its meaning is a violent storm whose center is a cloud in the shape of a funnel. Another word is whirlwind, a very strong wind that moves very fast in a spinning movement and causes a lot of damage and destruction. So we came to know that a storm has different names in different countries. One is cyclone, another is hurricane, another is tornado, another is whirlwind, and gale, and typhoon. Could you understand? So these are the names given to a storm in different countries. Could you understand? Next, now let's learn. What shall we learn? We will learn, as we have already discussed about the use of hope as a noun and verb. Similarly, there are other words which can be used as a noun and verb. Let's have some example. Look at your book. In English, the same word can be used as a noun. Noun means naming word, or very simple meaning is thing. And verb, that is action word. Let's have some example. Let's have some examples, right? Let's have some examples. First word is book. Book is a noun. You know it is a thing. Thing means noun. So book is a noun. So we can make a sentence like this: books are our friends. Or you can say, I lost my English book. This is the use of word. The word book is noun. Next, let's use it as a verb, book. I have booked 2 tickets for the cricket match. Next word is water. You know water is a uncountable noun. Water is an uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. Water is life. But next sentence is we water plants. Here water is used as a verb. Paper. Paper is an uncountable noun. Paper is a thing, so it is a noun. So we write on paper. Now let's use the word paper in a verb. We paper walls. We paper walls. Next word is finger. Next word is finger. Next word is finger. I have 10 fingers. Finger, don't finger the mobile. Bottle. This is a plastic bottle. But in verb, mother bottle the pickle. Please pack the milk in the bottle. Please bottle the milk. Please bottle the milk. Okay? That's the end of today's lesson. In our next class, we will learn a lot more. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.